Hey, how's it going? I'm back with another video. This will be a cup holder related video. If you have a Mazda Miata, also known as the Mx5, or if you have the Fiat 124 Spider, you know all about this dilemma. And that is the dilemma of liquid spilling right into your lap or to just not knowing how to remove these OEM cup holders. So yes, there's a manual, but who reads that anymore? We all want a quick fix and move on with the day. When I figured this out, I thought, hey, I'm gonna make a video and hopefully this will help somebody. Here's a demo on how to remove it. There's nothing technical to it. Simply grab the neck and pull. To put it back, just place it in the space and push. Hey everyone, just a quick reminder, be sure to click the links in my bio. Okay, here's one more demo. Grab and pull. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, be well.